Hello everybody. I'm going to do another feeding today, and I don't have a proper tripod or a helper here, so the video is going to be a little bit disjointed. So what I'm just showing you here is where I've got the waffles buried. I'll uncover those. I'll show you what's left over, and then I'll prepare the feeding spots, and then we'll go from there. So I've uncovered what was left over of the pancakes. There were two in the shape of a waffle, and right here there's just a little bit left over. And on that side I couldn't find anything. So in the corners here I've dug down, and consequently I did check where this middle section is. There was no food left over, so it's definitely time to feed. So I'll put the bedding in, and I'll put the food in, and I'll see you in the next segment. For this week's feeding, I'm going to try one corner with a lime just cut in half that we used for juice, and the peeling of one orange. And over on this side, oh, I think there's a little bit of an apple core right there too on that side. And then on this side we've got some banana peeling, celery, cabbage. So I think this side here will go a lot quicker than this side over here. I've added some coffee and crushed eggshells over the top just to finish off this feeding. And then next I will cover everything up, and we'll check back in another week or so. I decided to put a little bit more crushed cardboard and paper on top of the food that was in here. Okay, the bin is now prepped and ready for the worms to keep eating, keep enjoying the environment. And I did check moisture level. Everything seems to be really good down there. I've seen a lot of really young worms, so reproduction is going, I guess, really well. I did start with about 125 worms, and just digging around I see a lot of juvenile worms, so that population is going. And I started it in January, so it's been just over a month now. So I guess from what I've seen, it's going to take 3 to 4 months before I can see real good progress. Everything is turning into nice vermicompost, so I think the system here is working really well. That's enough for today. Everyone, enjoy your day. It's a really rainy day here, still in the middle of winter, but we can all prepare our worms to let them get us some good fertilizer. And as usual, everyone have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.